Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back. Yesterday guys, so today video guys, I'm just gonna be yay.
Mommy go work.
Yeah, mommy go work and it's you and dada at home.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I eat eggs.
Yeah, eat eggs.
Yeah, turkey tom sam.
Turkey tom.
Yeah, eggs.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, no go work too.
Okay.
And that going back too. We shall go work too.
Ah, nice. Alright guys, so yeah, today video, as I said earlier, yeah, this video is about work and where I work and basically what I do. So giving you guys much details without. Alright, Bobo. Yeah.
Sunday.
Alright, we're talking a bit, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Yeah man, so I work. What I do for work is I don't know if I'm ready to tell you guys anyway, but there's gonna be some clips that will be inserted in this video from work actually, is it? So with showing you guys, I couldn't show you everything, what I mean, because work has their policy and thing. I can't be showing or on the job doing filming and thing like that. So I just film during like my my break time and thing like that. And yeah, so you guys will see that, so don't skip the video. Alright, yeah man. So this video guys is about the environment that I work in, Zin. Yeah man, so where I work guys, it's a very cold place. The first time I work in a freezer, I will call it that. So putting 2 and 2 together, you guys, at the end of this video, you guys will have an understanding or have an idea where I work or what I do without telling you guys, you see me? So yeah, but where I work is a freezer. Yeah man, so I have to wear like layers of clothes when going in, wear water boots and things like that. I work with a lot of different nationality people. I work with people from the first time when I started working, I saw this guy and I thought he was from some African country because he looked like an African, and when I asked him where he's from, he said he's from Solomon Island, which is a Pacific island as well. Yeah, so I was surprised because he looks like, past any African. Yeah man, so yeah, I was surprised at that. I also have Aboriginal that works there, which is the native people of Australia. Yeah, and you also have Aussies. You have lots of islanders, because when I just started working, I was working with islanders, and then they moved me to a different section because I changed shift and things like that. So yeah, and I work with my Sri Lankan friend, what I mean. So lots of different people, and lots of them are on work visa. So lots of them, they're here for a time and then they go back home. Yeah, so that's really interesting to know, Yeah man, I interact with different people, and yeah man, so, and I realize that the Solomon Islanders, they don't smoke weed, but they smoke tobacco. That's a thing that they smoke here on the job and thing. I was a fisherman, so that was my job. Yeah. Look over there and give me trouble. Yeah man. So me I last right now to tell you the truth. This is just like an unedited video right now. Yeah man, but hey boy, where you gonna choke me? Yeah guys, so it's like working in come on island, like a boy. Alright guys, so back to what I was saying. Island distracted me there for a bit and I completely forgot what I was saying. So when I just started working at the job guys, a lot of people would ask me like where I'm from, and when I said Jamaica, the first thing comes to their mind is Bob Marley, ganja, bobsled team, cricket. And there's this one guy at work that just constantly think, the moment he asked me about the West Indies, and I said, oh, Chris Gayle is my favorite player because I don't watch cricket like that. It's just like a whole clash because start to compare Australian cricketers with Jamaican cricketers, and it's just trying to have a conversation with me talking about history with cricket, and I'm just like lost. I'm not into it as much as when I was younger, you know. So trust me, the Aussies, they love cricket. So if you're a Jamaican in Australia, once you start talking about cricket with them are gonna have a mad long conversation with you. So that's something I picked up on. And another thing, they always ask me about the bobsled team. And another thing that they also ask me is that, is Jamaica, there's what this one guy asked me, if Jamaica is as laid back as it seems on TV or what he hears. And I said, well, yeah, it is, but in some parts, if you go to the countryside, you're gonna find it more laid back and, you know, a slow paced life. But if you go to the city, it's, you know. And he was like, oh, so pretty much it's the same like here in Australia. Once you go to the city, it's fast. And I said, yeah, you know. So yeah, it's just really good. And there was this one guy who asked me about if the Caribbean is close to Jamaica, and I said, no, Jamaica is in the Caribbean. And trust me, the guy tried to argue with me about the point, saying that the Caribbean is an island by itself. And honestly, guys, I don't know if any of you have ever asked this before or someone tried to debate on this before, but I've never heard this one out of me. I've never heard this one before. Someone saying that the Caribbean is actually an island by itself. And this guy just in him made him think that he's right. And there's this other thing that a lot of them say is that Jamaica is in Africa. Jamaica is an African country. Guys, I don't know if any of you have been told these things, but honestly it's just hilarious and just sound, yeah, I don't know, just sounds like, I don't know where them get them news from, them information from, but you know, sound good to me. Yeah, they work with timing in these places, you know what I mean? It's a fast going industry and things, so yeah, it's not the best job in the world because honestly I don't love the cold, but you know what? Me tough up myself and say may I do it because me need a job, and you know, me have to provide for my family. Yeah. No matter what pain me I feel or nothing, me just tough it out and do what me have to do. Yeah man, so yeah, that is that, and me there go and work, you see me. I've had a job the same time when I got this job. I got another job which like I went the day before to that job, and because I got the call for the two jobs the same time, but I went to the other job first, and I was like, I'm gonna choose which one is better. And when I went to the other job, I'm just gonna say it, the other job was an oyster farm, right? So you open oysters and package them and things like that. And it was cool, but one thing I realized with the job, it's better if you use right hand, because when I went there the first day, when I started opening the oysters, they like, oh, you use left hand, and they were all like, you know, they were so surprised or shocked that I use left hand, because there's a thing on the oyster that you have to like cut off, and the way it's curved, it's better to use a right hand to do it. If anybody have done that, they would know, you know. So, and one of the things why I didn't choose that job as well is because it was further out of town and I didn't have a car. Alright, wait, Thailand, just give me a sec.
Okay, Dad.
Yeah, alright. And I didn't choose that job because it was out of town. It was in, I think it was in Lismore, or yeah, that region, you know. So I chose this job that I'm working at because it's close to home. You know, I can ride my bicycle go to work. So I went with this job, and yeah, and I've been working here now almost a year. Yeah man, so yeah guys, my day I go and hold it and, you know, take my time, do what I do and live life. Yeah man, so that's that, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't know, I just there chat about things, but about things that make sense, you know, information that you guys would probably be interested in hearing. Yeah, so I just want to say give thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry, Bobo. Alright, come in a bit, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So give thanks for watching this video, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, man, blessings all the time, and I'll just show you the little clips at work, and you guys.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, so little more.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
See you later.
Little more. Island's a little more.
See you.
It's a little more.
See you now.
I got your pick. Alright, my peeps. Check out the clips.
Man fi stop beg every day and every night. So me give them every time. Them say Africa you kind. And one time me say no, them turn round say me hype. And that is not right. No, learn fi satisfy all when you're not enough. You think a little people out there, so I try fi make it work. Nah no car, me nah no land, me nah no bike, me nah no bus. But fi make it in a life you want fi walk. It nah work, it nah work. If you nah work, then it can't work. When me say again, it nah work, it nah work. If them nah work, then it can't work. No way, it nah work, it nah work. If them nah work, then it can't work. No way, it nah work, it nah work. If them nah work, then it can't work.
So I'm at work here, guys. Early in the morning, huh? Yeah, man. They are my peeps. Yeah, next day, it's a Monday morning, isn't it? This is the locker room, bathroom, and everything. Yeah, man. So let's go. Yeah, man. So let's have some breakfast. So breakfast, guys, they call smoko. First time I hear them say that here, guys, I was so shocked. Like, I'm not going for a smoke, but then only to find out what it exactly mean. Yeah, man. So there, guys, they're in a uniform, working in a cool environment, literally a freezer. Yeah, man. So this is me, guys. And I know a lot of you might ask, where is everyone? Oh, I'm having breakfast on my own. Well, the thing is, you have the option to eat inside and the option to eat outside. And I just love my little cozy spot right there, so, you know? Yeah, man, I don't too like the crowd. From day one, I just some stay, so yeah, so my spot every day.